Hello mga ka-dreamers! Mag-i-input ulit ako dahil baka isang araw maging isang international English teacher ka at mapasaba ka sa interview bago ka makapasok. Pakinggan mo to dahil bibigyan ka or bibigyan kita ng isang kwento na babasahin mo at napaka-importante ang bawat words na sasabihin mo or pagbigkas mo. Eto. Hi, ka-dreamers! I'm so excited to see you today. This is Teacher Mel. Today, teacher will tell you a very funny story. It's about 3 little pigs and 3 persons. Please turn to page 10. What things you can see is the pictures. A pet cat,